Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Tailored Expressions. I have a set of watercolor plaid cards using the newest watercolors from Tailored Expressions. For this set, I'm using Hippo Birdie stamp set with coordinating dies along with lemon meringue, guava, lollipop, blue corn, and peapod watercolors, a set of Tailored Expressions premium watercolor cardstock. We're going to begin by placing some blue corn watercolor onto the cardstock. We're going to move on with our same large brush using the lemon meringue, and we're going to create some stripes. With a smaller brush using peapod, we are going to add some more stripes on the other direction. As you will see, I have the three shades of blue corn, lemon meringue, and peapod over on my ink palette, and then I have it saturated with water, and this allows me to have the two colors in different levels of saturation. We're going to allow the different layers of the colors to dry, because if you don't do this, they will run into each other. We are going to do the same with lollipop and with guava. Again, I have added 1 drop of each color onto my palette and then added some water onto the separate one. Turned my palette around so I can grab some of that lemon meringue. I like to make my brush a bit pointy by drying it up on a paper towel and really shaping the head of the brush. I'm going to continue adding some of the stripes with guava and with lollipop. While that dries, we are going to heat emboss in white using white embossing powder and the stamp set from Hippo Birdie, and it says Welcome Baby. Once that heat's set, we're going to be using blue corn, adding a droplet onto the actual sentiment, and then adding some of the peapod onto the side. Next, we're going to do a little different effect. We're going to spray some water onto our watercolor paper, adding the ink. As you see, it spreads around and it makes a really cool effect. Once we're done with watercoloring our sentiments, we're going to be using some score tape. The reason why is this cardstock's really thick, and I don't think regular adhesive would be able to hold down onto our card base. Using foam adhesive onto the back of that sentiment, and then I have pre-cut and pre-colored some of the cute giraffes from the Hippo Birdie, placing that with foam tape, and then adding Simply White Nuvo drops. I'm going to repeat the process with our girl shades of the baby card, again using Simply White Nuvo drops. And that is it. I hope you've enjoyed the set of cards using Hippo Birdie and the newest Tailored Expression watercolors. It's a great way to use your watercolors to get some coordinating cards that match everything. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and a sweet comment below. Have an awesome day.